Hey little kids, today I'm going to draw for you a very cute picture. I'm drawing underwater picture. Here I'm drawing some grasses and then I will draw here some fishes. You should follow me and try with me how I make it rainbow picture. Some big fish and some small fish. Here I am drawing this picture with pastel color. You can draw it with any kinds of crayon color. If you draw with crayon colors on a black paper, it looks so amazing. You can see this. It's looking so beautiful. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with new videos. Till then, tata, bye bye, my little friends.
Invincible.
Wow!